See the fuel pump rod in there? We have the engine rolled over, not quite to a 45-degree angle, so we could push that rod up and it would stay up. We're going to put the fuel pump on. It goes behind this. This is what plunges, pumps the gas as the cam turns, pushes that fuel pump rod, and that creates a suction, which leads to fuel being moved. So if you could turn the engine at an angle, the front rod will stay up out of the way, and makes this job so much easier than if you try to do it in the car, because at that point the car's at such an angle that it makes it almost impossible to get the fuel pump rod back up there. I ain't gonna say impossible, but it makes it damn difficult.